In this tutorial, we'll cover how you can reach out to JumpCloud support through the JumpCloud admin portal. In order to submit a support case, log into your JumpCloud admin portal, click your avatar icon in the top right, and select Contact Support from the dropdown. You could also click on the question mark button in the top right. Scroll down to the bottom of the resources page and click on Contact Support. This will open the same support modal that we just saw from the drop-down menu. When filling out the support request, please create a defined subject line and a well-formed description with as much information as possible within the text box below the subject line. You may also upload screenshots, logs, or any additional information as an attachment within this request. Any other additional information is helpful for the JumpCloud support team. Once submitted, our teams will prioritize your case and will reach out to start working with you on your request. That's it. For more information on our support SLAs, knowledge base articles, and more, check out support.jumpcloud.com for additional details.